President Mahama has gone ahead to promise. Say he will add some megawatt to the last number culture. Say President Mahama has always been a fixer. Whenever there is a problem, he fixes it, postpone it. Unfortunately, challenge the bar now I'm for to but he has proven to be a fixer. I've told you, say in the energy sector, if there is one person who deserves nothing but respect in terms of the biggest investment in the energy sector, so now the renewable energy aspect, 200 megawatt of solar has been promised, and another 1,000 too has been promised. I think say multi social media boss cheche yes I'm not sure say still that we have enough capacity to be able to move on. Yeah.
All right. My share Bank of Ghana Koma Edaho. I think from last week Friday, and Komono be heated from Friday, because last week in the Dihun Komaka I say minority press conference in Bemu and other economists or more experts and so Bemu from weekend and the day by the night, and that was the topic for conversation and now a say a Bank of Ghana Aboka and Kana Wama Bono stabilizing the economy, the system, and where operational losses.
Yes.
And matters surrounding this Bank of Ghana losses.
Yeah, I'm sure what's here for now. When I say, your mind be sometimes we are very funny because issues bar instead of us to drive details into say be present issue say the city magana ni atena ho sometimes ayana partisan expediencies take over the interface, so people are unable to. And so we had a major drive for this particular conversation. It has been because post-COVID, Bank of Ghana incurred losses and it became subject for public debate. About Akufo Addo buying from Ekobai. So the MPP today hearing say Bank of Ghana Abokano, then it is that same politics of equalization. Let's make political capital out of it. That is exactly what happened. But at the end of the day, debt be a debt. Yeah. And I'm not sure it will make sense for anybody to come and sit on TV and celebrate the Bank of Ghana. No, it will be totally abnormal.
Yeah.
And we are just hoping, say, Bank of Ghana will turn to positive equity. That is what. But yeah, I'm coming to give you a certain historical background for you to appreciate where we are today. Saobekaya, Abrana Ken Ofori Atta in the Busian 40 commercial space because now a wo ho no mo boss abosia na ye kenke party sabi bosia na nyansa ni ma ye kan ye no omo bosia na to a point e be me Ghana according to a point he thought say e kana Ghana wo no he could borrow his way out of debt, but as long as all borrow no he was burying the nation in a pool of debt. Ya boya dru baby ye ko do 2022 and at the commercial space, and all the credible rating agencies who say Ghana for were cooking fictive figures are a bit doubtful, and they went deeper into and realized that no, your debt ain't yet sustainable at that particular time. Yeah. So over here, I'm a blacklist here. Now Ghana to be in Kobobosia, Yaka Yadina Yentimintia, my catcher said Chroma Yeti and $1. The only way I didn't dollar and say, if you are Kobobosia and I say, yeah, at that particular crucial moment, and I'm sana buying near my not tax revenue crown a crumble. So the mine was not making money. Yeah, mine you cannot go and borrow. Your taxes are doing poorly. The economy itself not as time for. So the only way Ghana bet me survive at the time, and it's a President Akufo Addo turned his attention to Bank of Ghana. Now Bank of Ghana became a financing tool. Now yet the financing government, and this over here government securities like bond. And bills and then as if saying bonds in those waiting in Bank of Ghana was buying them directly at a rate very high. So at the end of the day, so it was because of a certain reckless mismanagement. Now Bank of Ghana a woman writing debt off. So bakaya. It means that sorry say okay wafa. Somebody obetimi IEC space for the government to continue. And again, they were printing money to arm the government because that government didn't just come free baby. That incurred. So that was a shift from the normal engines of Bank of Ghana's operation to a different engine, which is a political engine. And Bank of Ghana now moving from monetary policy arena into a political financing tool. And I had the financing government giving it a lifeline because ideally, and your Bank of Ghana, you manage on finance a bank. So it got to a time they were printing money to finance government projects. They were printing money to give it to the government because at the time, there was nowhere. Empty Bank of Ghana at the end of the year, Eboka over 60.1 billion Ghana cedis. In the history of this country, I don't know, it's a Bank of Ghana. Now you be saying it's a Bank of Ghana, or Tom Banchia, or the Coco Koja. About saying a Bank of Ghana in a single year, Etimi Boka 60.1 billion. Explanation a media amount because we were banned from the space. The government have to do everything. That is why they told you said they were accumulating gold. Yeah, they Kwakwaje oil because dollar cried about carbon. So Bank of Ghana Boka the subsequent year it was a debt. And I am miss a common sense question say. Bank of Ghana okura negative equity of about 61 billion. How on earth, or more business and country as within a year, you expect that particular bank to make profit? Is it possible? Company on finance saying CMG Aboka last year over 500 billion Ghana cedis. Now my Musiwa and as a manager, new manager, you expect new manager to move from $500 billion to profit. Is it possible? Because that particular debt, you need to take care of it. Exactly. That is the reasonable explanation to this bank of. So I am not saying it's a Bank of Ghana more. Yes, it's true. But they are coming from a very terrible background of a negative equity of about 60 billion thereabout. You cannot shift to profit. It's not possible. In the real sense, and your politics, so when you see people sitting on big platforms and a Bank of Ghana, they forget this. You cannot transition from a negative equity of 60 billion to a positive equity within 1 year. It's not possible. So sometimes I'm wondering the kind of mind they open to discussions like this, and these are people they so-called experts in as for. It's so funny. So this is what happened. So when President Mahama took over, there was a challenge because inflation went as far back 53 and by 23. The government made a promise, slashing it down to 8%, the single-digit inflation. Bank rate, everything need to come down. But Enam said, Bank of Ghana, apprentice to a good system. There were a lot of money circulating. It's the reason why inflation went up because simple economy. I'm not an economist, but I can tell you, when there is excess cash within the system, chasing fewer goods, inflation will go up. That is a simple explanation. And to say, oh, the inflation, so we are buying our bar. Now, person will drive inflation down. What it means that you need to use a vacuum. We say, hospitals, would them we fee, uncrophobia, almost park no more the chippy no minimum who is a work your vacuum yes I didn't know what the shots are chippy so Bank of Ghana needed to do something to mop up the excess cash from the system and yes inflation will not go down, and that came at a cost, and that is the explanation they gave you. So this is what happened. So Bank of Ghana answer na umbetimi asesa sika na ewo system no nyina free no, you need to give a bigger rate to the commercial banks because you cannot commercial banks and this Bank of Ghana man rate ya ewo higher. Even the commercial banks edo busika and as as government securities like bond and so for at a higher rate. But commercial banks use the Bank of Ghana rate was so pe almost so busika nyina dey for interest. Okay. Because commercial bank when the sika no because who could Usika, what the Akoto Bank, every access bank, waiting to commercial bank, and they are from commercial banks. Or they operate for profit. So Bank of Ghana, who says Sikawa system, what they will do is they will raise bond interest near high.
High.
Commercial banks in who say interest near high, who say, oh, may the call 1 month and many saying, then they'll mop up all the cash, what they call. But the rate of the corner will come at an interest which the government will pay. So interest never told, so no, that is what the debt today. I don't know. So
wait, I am simple. The last time I make a say,
where economic
Bank of Ghana to the BIA on some of the technical ways to be free. May I so say, Naiva and Bubuno. And
they should be paying.
Exactly. Where I say, Kamuti Ivan, because as some of Yakasan, William saw all this while. As some no say personally, so operational loss in the debate, and I was a Bubunama. Yes. As some a simple cry.
So
okay.
So commercial government securities and high. So commercial bank and the commercial banks is rate obey anyway rate high. So also who sap so
now say you collect excess
so at the point as you can only in another corner, then you have less cash chasing more goods, then the prices will come down. Because yes, cash bottom maybe now when I say iPhone 2 Ghana cedis are oh my friend, Mama 4, I'm not quite be a Akoto 1. Oh, when you bought price and a scan doors will go to oh Mama 5. So what you be bar, I don't know you have been taught. So in Nippon sort on and I'm price and cost drive it. So they did this thing to do that particular thing. And again, another one, so yes, said the entire bank, cana a business say. So back Akufo Addo pension, now your friend is $1 a year, almost 14 to 15 cities out to 1 Ghana cities. And Bank of Ghana assets are in dollars because at the time, now I think export way sometime around 9 billion thereabout, and then you will gold. Yeah, and Bank of Ghana that's sorry and opana say or per se ohu Ajapadia or in terms of that particular forest now or convert sika directly in their books to the currency at the time.
Okay.
And sika na gu dollars aya Akufo at the time dollar no swatia ba be do 10 cedis. And say oh convert it to cedis we have 14 cedis BM. Now what benya say? What benya 10 cedis? Which means that every dollar BM you are losing 4 cedis. So who converted that asset from Bank of Ghana? We don't lose Ghana but dollar now is so at and then me on 4 way me turn $10. Now some say me convert ba Ghana cedis ma. Sikana me the turn first so better because dollar number form. And the Bank of Ghana converting those assets back to your friend said the current your friend is saying CD rate are in their books because which means say first 14 no you must reflect the current and yes sir you'll be doing double your friend saying forex pricing and then as for them so strictly as 9 billion now na a year 14 cities out the back Ghana sikama we never be the same assets the same what the back Ghana sikama aswati so it becomes an operational debt in your books.
And
yes sir or they different from Kwabena Agyapong all print sika
not write it off debt
exactly
oh
yes I buy the car yaje we are person go sit down with that that kind of way they were printing money but in this particular instance nobody at Bank of Ghana is printing excess cash to finance the government but that is what they were doing. So you see there is this clear distinction but in communicating I don't know how they communicate is that they make the whole thing look muffled. The Bank of Ghana and Timian will say more. You have the position with the right to so also to muffle the this. But if you're able to make this clear distinction for people to understand that, then I think that
because when you just say operational losses, we also say it's operational losses.
Operations printing money, operational loss, and it's almost the same thing. So it is up to you to explain these things in the language the people understand. Because my is a modern governance, you cannot move, take a step, and leave the people behind. So any step you make on the way, you need to drag the people along. And the best way to do that is to ensure there is a constant communication in a language that people appreciate and understand so that they will follow. Because and that's your friends say 1 year now we mistake. people will rise against you because of some of these things. So I think the Bank of Ghana, Menka said there is any positive debt. Debt be anywhere, Papa. A debt is a debt.
Yeah.
But this is the situation. Some and not what is some of the financial analysts in the country say a debt there, but a positive because at the end of the day, inflation drop to a point and you single digit for a very long time.
And now put about
the government last year projected 8. By your baby do 3.
Yeah.
Which means that Bank of Ghana na nkasa ne projection or no what defeat down.
Yeah.
It's positive. And then prices in the near no is not going up as it's supposed to be because of this inflation. Oko bank rate and 14 and then several policy rate and then I say for them nina so ma man for ho kwan ma mudo busika kugu bank and the economy nankasa so anya right footing. So the economy we see today I return the confidence abrofo betimi afa telephone akacha say chale say there kwan mo bio mo economy ni look good you can come and borrow. That is positive. A car na yedede some of last time better na catch energy sector that partial your first risk guarantee a Bank of Ghana the mine the energy sector the government paid $597 million. Nina everything that way all the rating agencies and upgrading we can use that as a credible way at the market here so that is the cost Bank of Ghana will have to because Bank of Ghana and tomatoes with their could be a and as a for them. So this is what happened for Bank of Ghana to incur that particular way now. But my culture say banker okra negative equity of about 60 billion cannot transition to a positive equity within 1 year. It's not possible. So for people, I made the Net TV press conference and a Bank of Ghana will be cross the Bank of Ghana governor on resign. I just joking. You understand? So I think we need to hope in the years ahead, you better me to your name not Bank of Ghana, I return it to not near my essay and the core mandate. I constitute a rather man of whole kinds of on year that is guiding the monetary space, not policies and initiative. Your financing regime now we know akoye now me do a point here. The Bank of Ghana about your financing too. I buy coding in Sebuna. Now, on their financing, it got to a point. Bank of Ghana was financing the orgies of government. The perverted priorities are buying no one, and near the Bank of Ghana because I did most of them bubble singer, young Cassia, Befasica for your crew, and the other sin that's what I saw the Nairan and the money now could go. Turn the Bank of Ghana into a printing press or printing on a year as a sabuano, so we are having to come away. No, yes, because Bank of Ghana was virtually a printing press. So I think we need to have a very honest conversation. And the people who are supposed to lead, Makacho say, the media people who understand some of these things. Now, we are media brand TV radio, so Nafuse Katu, and all the emotions, and then as a forum, and because some now can which is on Tiasia. He doesn't even understand the what Tiana says, a Kaba, and Akufo Addo Tesono, and Obokano, and Yehudo Modiero Kroma, and Tinomusuma Koboka, and says, this is a journalist discussion. This is a journalist sitting on TV, and his job is to educate and inform people. The guy is advertising nothing but ignorance. So sincere and so innocent. Ignorance. No, it's funny. So I think we must begin to shape the narrative. Answer number first subject is no. Make sure you understand. But it's so easy to do equalization. MPP so NDC and when you're careful, be good in the middle because yes, NDC will be a bit maybe, but make sure there is a correlation. Issues near the same. But when you're careful, not one tenants and one head near money, not what the emotions at to see chrome say, oh, my but we have a information error and you end up disgracing yourself. All
right, and Timmy Bacho and Bank of Ghana issue, no, Ivan the channel short. Yeah, most more engage media for the technicalities. Nasi, and I never can. Because more issue press statement, Naka Samen Kaya, Mesumide, me brought for any of the Amentias and Google, and I said Oxford Dictionary and me beam. Now, what normal explanation, episode will meaning more than what the dictionary or Google will give to you. It's a told be Anna, I was some more engaging media and also beboa. Na nipa no wanti asem na se ansana obekwa akokabi na de Ivan Kaya nipa no wagu no wani basi onukura onim se bi o ka no kura anye no kure o Erade Nyakopon. Anyway, the GGH or say Kai, I told you that the analysis demigod is in the studio. My guy Ivan, more proof, more good analysis. I told you he's not human, we know, but he's a demigod. All right, Idris Rahman, good morning, and I'm watching you live from Asinfo. So, Ziggy, Ghanaians, let's all come together. What you say? Otchere the Ivan Akanya, young collapse NPP. Now, also they are our problem and have been since 1957. As a war. And Francis Bedwa say, good show, big up, sis. Nyamisha will need team now. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.